guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change your video format on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to add a video, and as you can see there's like extra stuff here because it doesn't match with the video format. So just go here and for like a portrait TikTok mode, it's like 9:16. But you can also customize it here, like the length and the width. Maybe you want the length to be 180 by 180, like the width 180. This is the Instagram post sort of size. Select save, and as you can see it changes, but they do have these options here, and you can also select the original sort of video format. That's what I mean. And that is pretty much how you can change your video format. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!